windshield came out great. We're nowhere near done yet. Hell, we've just started. Hi, Poppy! How you doing? Hi there, guys, and welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's 12/29 on Monday, July 3rd, 2017. Hi, Moose. What's up?
We've been busy.
Yeah? We've been rocking out upstairs.
We've signed up 2 people this morning. We've sold some Bitcoin. We've sold a computer.
Cool. Hi, Poppy.
Just busy. And Jerry's now laser cutting.
Cool. The rug upstairs, the carpet,
yeah.
It's going to be great. And we found out, just accidentally, the lockers on the right side, not attached to the wall, not on a plinth, they're just sitting there, so we can move those.
I remember putting them.
We can just move those wherever the hell we want.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. I might surplus them.
We will not
Let me know if you need some lockers. I'll hook you up. I have no idea what the blog's going to be like today. It's AFO for the staff. It's one of those weird days of the year where we're not open, but we're not closed. Members who want to come use the lab can, but we're not open to the public. So we're just here, hanging out. I don't know how much is going to get done today, but we have a lot of members that have like critical projects that they're working on. Like this gentleman has a serious project he's working on.
Many projects. It's going to take a lot of time, so it's all good for Geek Group, and it's going to be tables, wall hanging, just sort of art, extruded from plywood. It's an amazing, lucky happenstance that I was able to find this facility, and the CNC machine is just making my dreams come true, dude.
We're happy to help. And I even managed to get some parts cut in between your stuff.
Well, I figured I would need to.
Stay on top, like super duper on top of the
I'm right here.
Of the dust collector. Like every time you finish one, check the level.
We did that already. We got one project and it's dumped. Yeah, believe me, being directly involved in that last.
Yeah. I would like to not set the room on fire again.
People never neglect that dust collector.
I was the happy witness to that loveliness.
Cool. Did you just lock that poor dog outside?
Well, she came up
Out
to me and
alone
she
in
begged.
the horrible weather? Look at it, it's terrible outside.
No.
Dog's life is hell.
Like for 10 seconds.
I may have to fly some things before too long, just because it's that nice out.
Paul and Christina are on their way.
Cool. Oh yeah, she gets on a plane tomorrow.
Tomorrow, she's
off
going
to
to
England.
the UK on July 4th.
Cool.
You know what they've started calling it amongst the staff, right?
What?
Brexit 1776.
Oh God. It's the hat that sells it.
Every time I run out of juice. You come up here and point the camera and I...
Well, it's cool. The beater bar on the bottom doesn't rotate. It wibbles.
yeah,
it wibbles.
Well, hell, I'll take
It oscillates. Oh, hey? Funky? Surplus those.
Really?
Yep.
Okey-dokey.
We have no need for them, and they take up a lot of space, so yeah, surplus them.
Hey, anybody out there on the blog? Make us an offer. Local pickup only.
Yeah.
We'll be back. For all my audio nerd friends, I have a sound for you. See this? Off the top. Okay, we'll let it reset and get quiet. This is going to be my new ringtone. So that's supposed to crank up like a clock and you just let it go.
Yeah.
And this has lost its governator thing. So I'm gonna autopsy it. Well, it should work just fine as a solar powered radio.
Almost identical to this one?
I think we did. This one just has a different failure, probably. But I'm gonna get that sound for a ringtone if I can get this totally still. Yeah, that's a ringtone. That's just too cool not to.
Alright, Liz.
Because why the hell not? I'll wind it up all the way. It'll probably just grenade from the flywheel in it over revving, but it'll be fun to try. Okay, I got a full wind on it. That's all she's got. Let me know when you're ready.
This thing takes like 5 minutes to turn on.
No worries, I'll just hold the thing here. It's very comfortable.
Holy hell.
What? What?
Auto levels.
Let me know when you're ready. Audio check, 1, 2, 3.
We're not recording your voice, so.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to make something that's about as loud as that. You ready?
Rolling.
That is a horrible sound.
Yeah, we peaked on the left channel.
Yeah?
Right channel should be fine though, and it sounds the same.
Cool. Enjoy your new ringtone, weirdos. I think that might be my new ringtone.